I'm just enjoying the domesticated saguaros that live in Scottsdale, all along the side of the road to greet you.
Well, then are they domesticated or are they feral?
These are domesticated. The ones at the national park, I would say feral cacti.
Oh.
I mean, I don't know that someone comes out and takes care of them, but you can have one in your yard. It's pretty nifty.
So 6 days in, we had a fabulous evening last night with the Forthmans. Very appreciative of their hospitality.
Yes.
It's very nice to see their new house, see that they're doing well, catch up, sit out on the golf course for dinner. It's very nice.
Very nice.
Should we keep heading west?
I don't know. What direction are we going right now? Because the sun is over there. I feel like
Right now we're going south.
I was going to say, I feel like we're going south currently based on the location of the sun.
Yeah, we're going south right now, but we'll be getting on the highway and keep going west.
I'll just trust the GPS thingy.
Okay. Having any passengers?
Well, other than Sonny.
Other than Sonny's
And Bucky.
And Bucky, yeah.
And Nomi. So
Well, that's the
I've
only thing
actually brought like my whole crew with me.
You get the crew.
The crew is all.
The crew's in the car.
I keep adding too. So we
But
started
we're not
with.
picking up hitchhikers. No more. No.
What if there's a Nomi?
A Nomi hitchhiker?
Right. I mean, Nomi.
Like a living gnome on the side of the road that's hitchhiking.
Nomi has friends.
10 west to Los Angeles.
What?
Should
Los
we?
Angeles?
Should we? There's Disney in that direction.
I haven't planned for this.
You sure?
Oh, I can visit Shane and Ryan. He's so upset.
You get, you're not the only one to get surprise stops,
It looks like Los Angeles.
It looks like Los Angeles. Yes, it does. Should we? I see a hitchhiker.
Oh, ooh, look at the leg.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's a hitchhiker. That's it. Should we pick up that hitchhiker?
Yeah, I feel like she's safe.
Are you a safe hitchhiker?
I am.
You are? Oh, we'll pick you up.
Oh, thanks.
We're going to LA. You want to come with us?
How about Hawaii?
No, I think we're heading west. We're heading west. You want to go?
Yeah.
All right. Get in.
Grab it.
All right. You two go down there. I'm going down here, and I'll meet you.
Then I'm gonna take my laptop.
Starting our day with our The Breakfast of Champions.
Avocado toast.
Avocado toast.
At the Admiral's Club, because we're jazzy. Because we're traveling with the Admiral here.
Because they're special that way, and they deserve it.
And I talked to you, so you're good.
We need more jewelry.
Don't leave
I'll leave mine on the whole week if I have to.
You only have to do it till you get to your hotel. Don't take it off until then, and then you also without your ID.
I will not do that.
And same thing, don't take this off until you get to your hotel.
Okay.
Keep it going, Kirsten. Right over here. Right behind the bathroom. There are our seats. Look at that.
I should have brought a dog.
Karen, are you willing to open the exit and save the two of us?
Yes.
Kirsten. Yes. We are now responsible for the safety of the entire flight.
We're a safety guard.
Do we get orange vests?
We have to do the safety dance.
Are you ready?
Ready? Camera. I'm ready.
Karen's in Hawaii.
Oh, goody. The camera's on its stick now.
Aloha.
Aloha.
We have arrived
At our final destination for 1 week.
on the
34th floor.
34th floor. Getting a little rain, but all worth it when you look at the view. Should we show them the view?
Show them the view, Tom.
Show them the view. Look where we're staying. 1 week.
That would be Diamond Head, kittens.
And the beach is over there.
First impressions?
Beachy. And remember, don't bring any rocks home because it's bad luck.
I will say, we've been a bunch of places, but this is absolutely amazing.
Beautiful.
This is absolutely incredible. I mean, just...
You just feel at peace.
And the air. The air is amazing.
It's beautiful.
Should we stay forever?
Yes.
That's it. Sold. We're staying. Pack the boxes. It's time to sign off because it's been a long day. We started the day in
Phoenix.
and we're ending it in
Hawaii.
Honolulu.
We're tired.
we saw sundown at the beach. We had a nice dinner and we visited the ABC store.
Sundown. Sunset.
Sunset, sundown,
I
sunset,
was gonna let him go with that.
sunset. I'm sleep deprived.
And he has to edit.
But we swam in the ocean.
Yes, we did.
Very nice.
Now the trick is finding our house.
Next to the church, past the church.
Yep. Turn at the pointy church.
All right, we'll do that, and
Sleep.
we'll say goodnight. Say goodnight, Kirsten.
Church.
Say goodnight, Kirsten.
Good night. Show them the cookies.
Yeah, look at the cookie place.
Cookies. Have we eaten enough today? All right. Good night.